So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your KGPN bro. So in today's video I am going to discuss about enthalpy of combustion. So let's start the video. So it is the enthalpy of combustion, okay, and this is also known as the heat of combustion, and it is denoted by this symbol del H com or del com H, and this symbol is generally more preferred. And let's see the definition of enthalpy of combustion. The definition says that the amount of heat evolved when 1 mole of a substance is completely burnt or completely oxidized in excess of oxygen or air. It is the amount of heat evolved when 1 mole of substance is completely burnt or completely oxidized in excess of oxygen or air. So here it is the reaction. It is a substance and in reaction with oxygen, and oxygen should be excess, and on complete oxidation it gives some product. And by complete oxidation we mean that the element must acquire its maximum oxidation state, and here the substance should be of 1 mole. So let's see some of the highlighted terms. So the first term is heat evolved. That means the enthalpy of combustion is always exothermic in nature, and 1 mole substance, the amount of substance should be 1 mole. The substance may be anything, it can be either element, atom, compound, ion, etc., or it may be also in stable state, unstable state, standard state, etc. It doesn't matter, but it should be of 1 mole, and there should be the complete oxidation, or you can say complete combustion of that substance in presence of excess oxygen. These are the three highlighted terms that should be kept in your mind, that heat should be evolved during the reaction or during the combustion of that compound, and 1 mole of substance should be used, and there should be complete oxidation or complete combustion. There is one note point. So there might be certain reaction which require or which absorb heat for their combustion. For this kind of reaction, delta H combustion is not defined. In a combustion reaction, there must be evolution of heat only, no absorption of heat. Then only you can define the del H com for that reaction, and del H com H is always negative. Let's understand the meaning of complete combustion. By complete oxidation or complete combustion, we mean that the element must acquire its maximum oxidation state. So here it is an example. Carbon plus half O2 gives rise to CO, and carbon plus oxygen gives rise to CO2. In the first case, the oxidation state of carbon is +2. In second case, the oxidation state of carbon is +4. It is the maximum oxidation state of carbon, but it is not the maximum oxidation state. So here in this reaction, it is not the complete oxidation. This is the complete oxidation of carbon. Here is some important points that should be remembered. So heat of combustion is always exothermic in nature. That means delta H is equal to negative. If the conditions of the reactions are not given, then delta H combustion can be considered as standard enthalpy of combustion. If in a reaction, heat of combustion data of all the reactants and all the products are given, then heat of that reaction can be calculated by applying this formula. Let's say the reaction is A mole of capital A plus B mole of capital B gives rise to C mole of capital C plus D mole of capital D. If the combustion data of all the reactants and all the products are given, then enthalpy of that reaction can be calculated by using this formula. Enthalpy of reaction is equal to A into enthalpy of combustion of A plus B into enthalpy of combustion of B minus C into enthalpy of combustion of capital C plus D into enthalpy of combustion of capital D. That means the summation of that means it is the summation of enthalpy of combustion of reactants minus summation of enthalpy combustion of products. So thank you for watching this video.